Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our daily English listening stories. This is the place where we make English easy and we make it fun. I am your host, Leo, and today I am checking my wallet because we are going to spend money. Please welcome my shopping partner, Anna.
Hi, Leo, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I am so excited today. Shopping is my favorite sport. I can shop all day long.
I know, Anna, you are a real shopaholic. Listeners, a shopaholic is someone who loves shopping too much. They cannot stop buying shoes.
Hey, I need those shoes, Leo. But before we start, I have a question for you. Leo, be honest. When you go to a clothing store, do you feel confident or do you want to run away?
Oh, that is a good question. To be honest, Anna, I feel a little scared. Sometimes the salespeople follow me, they ask me questions, and I don't know the English words for clothes. I usually buy the wrong size and I look like a potato.
Poor Leo. Don't worry, today we will fix that. We will learn 60 common phrases for shopping. We will go step by step, from entering the store to paying the bill.
That sounds perfect. I don't want to look like a potato anymore. Are you ready to go shopping, Anna?
I was born ready. Let's go to the mall.
Okay, imagine this. We walk into a nice clothing store. A salesperson walks to us immediately. They usually ask, "Can I help you?" What do I say if I don't want help?
This is the most important phrase, Leo. If you just want to look, you say, "I'm just looking, thanks." Or, "I'm just browsing."
I'm just browsing. That is a great word. Browsing means looking with no plan to buy yet.
Exactly. But Leo, what if you need something specific? Maybe you need a new white shirt.
Then I say, "I'm looking for a white shirt." Or, "Do you have any white shirts?"
Perfect. Use the phrase, I am looking for jeans. I am looking for a jacket.
And sometimes we can't find the section we need. For example, I need the men's section.
You can ask, where is the men's section? Where is the women's section? Or, where are the fitting rooms?
The fitting room is where we try on clothes. We will talk about that next. Okay, Anna, I found a shirt. It is blue, it looks cool, but I don't know if it fits me. What do I ask?
You must ask, can I try this on? Please remember this phrase. Can I try this on?
Okay, I go to the fitting room, I put on the shirt. Oh no, Anna, it is too small. I look like the Hulk. My muscles are ripping the shirt.
Leo, you are too strong. If it is too small, you need a different size.
So I ask, do you have this in a larger size? Or do you have this in an extra large?
Yes, and if it is too big, if you are swimming in it,
Then I ask, do you have this in a smaller size? Or do you have this in a medium?
exactly. Sometimes the size is okay, but the color is wrong.
Then I say, do you have this in a different color? Do you have this in red?
And finally, how does it feel?
If it's perfect, I say, it fits really well. I like it.
And if it looks terrible?
I say, it doesn't suit me. It's not my style. Okay, the shirt fits. It is red. Now, the scary part, the money.
Yes. If there is no price tag, you ask, how much is this? Or, how much does this cost?
And the salesperson says, it is $500.
What? $500? That is a ripoff.
A ripoff means it's way too expensive. So I say, it is too expensive. I can't afford it.
But wait, Leo, look at the sign. It says sale.
Oh, I love that word. So I ask, is this on sale?
Yes, and they might say, it's 50% off. It's a bargain.
A bargain means a very good price. Cheap, but good quality.
If it's a bargain, I usually buy two.
Okay, I looked at the price. It's on sale. Now I decide to buy or not to buy.
If you are not sure, you can say, can you hold this for me?
That means they keep it behind the counter.
But today, Leo, you are sure.
Yes, so I say, I'll take it.
That is the decision phrase. If you buy many things, you say, I'll take these.
Now let's change places. We're at the supermarket and we are hungry.
At the supermarket, we look for the aisle. We say, aisle.
So I ask, which aisle is the milk in? Which aisle is the bread in?
Yes, and sometimes we ask, is this fresh? When does this expire?
Expire means the food goes bad.
And remember, small shopping, basket. Big shopping, cart.
I always take a cart because I always buy too many cookies. Okay, now we go to the checkout. The cashier asks, how would you like to pay?
You can say, I'd like to pay by cash, or I'd like to pay by card.
They might ask, credit or debit?
After you pay, they give you the receipt. Receipt. The P is silent.
Why is the receipt important?
Because if something is wrong, you need it to return the item.
So I say, can I have a receipt, please?
And they may ask, do you need a bag?
I say, no thanks, I have my own bag. I'm saving the planet. Okay, problem time. I bought the red shirt. My wife says I look like a tomato. I need to return it.
Oh, no. You go back and say, I would like to return this.
They ask, what is wrong with it?
You can say, it doesn't fit. I changed my mind.
Then you choose refund, money back, exchange, different item.
Exactly. I'd like a refund, please. I'd like to exchange this.
Okay, Anna, rapid fire time.
Let's shop.
Salesperson offers help.
I'm just looking, thanks.
Try clothes on.
Can I try this on?
Too small.
Do you have a larger size?
Ask price.
How much is this?
Pay by card.
I'd like to pay by card.
Return item.
I'd like a refund, please.
Buy it.
I'll take it.
Excellent job, Anna, and great job to our listeners. You are shopping experts now.
Shopping in English is fun. Don't be afraid of salespeople and always keep the receipt.
Golden rule, keep the receipt.
Leo, did you buy anything today?
Yes, I bought confidence.
Nice. Listeners, tell us in the comments, do you prefer cash or card? And what is the last thing you bought?
Please like and subscribe. It helps us buy more coffee and cookies.
Thank you for listening. Happy shopping.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.